to a festive
Woo!
Dobbs Tavern.
Tis
Let me
Mardi
see
Gras
those
season.
booze.
And today we bring you the Abita Mardi Gras Bach.
Yeah, you can definitely know. You don't need an app to tell you when the holidays are. You just wait until we post a holiday Abita episode.
Exactly. Abita's really good about that. They never miss holidays. Now I had some of these over the weekend.
Oh yeah.
And I was impressed. Now I really like this beer a lot.
Now you said the big caveat though is it must be served cold.
It should be served cold. Mine was the first time I had it. It was not super cold, but it was still drinkable. This if you let it sit, it's gonna be rough. It's 6.5%, and it's very festive. It's purple, green, and gold. It's carnival season. Tis the season. Abita Mardi Gras Bach is brewed with pale Pilsner and caramel malts and German Pearl hops. Our Bach is similar to German Maibach's with its rich malt flavor and full body. Don't laugh at me. Mardi Gras Bach brings the fun of carnival season to you wherever you are. And it's as we all know, it's brewed in Abita Springs, Louisiana, and I'm really excited to drink this guy.
Didn't we have like a brain fart one time? We're like, where was Abita brewed?
Yeah, I don't know if it was Abita, but we did have a brain fart.
Anyway, it's got a beautiful smell.
It does, and it's a beautiful amberish color.
Yeah. Oh, look at those bubbles. You know you have a really good beer when you can't see it on the camera, but maybe on the pour shot, the bubbles that go out.
I promise you they're there.
Ah, that's right. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That is pleasant.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is really pleasant.
Right?
I think this is one of my favorite. I'll say it. Besides probably Purple Haze, this is probably one of my favorite ones. All right, just on the first taste.
This is probably my favorite Abita. Because Andy Gator just doesn't do it for me anymore.
The big joke with Andy Gator was the one where you were when you were poor, but you wanted to get drunk. So you buy a 6-pack of Andy Gator, and it being like 9%.
Yeah.
You'll be pretty good that night. That was, I don't know about your experiences, but that was my 20-year-old experiences before I had a big boy job, or 5.
Yeah.
That was, if you want to get drunk, you buy a 6-pack of Andy. This is really good, though. This is, I would honestly be really sad if I had to chug this beer. It is so lovely.
Yeah. And, ironically, I do think this would be a really good parade beer.
Oh, this is a great parade beer.
It's just light enough to where you could drink a few of these, maybe more, and feel good. Like I said, it's 6.5%.
Pour again.
Hey.
Yeah, 6.5%. So it's kind of up there.
Yeah.
Kind of up there. This is a great beer for outside too, in a slightly cold weather.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if I would want to mow the lawn and have one of these, but this is like I'm hanging out with my friends. I want to have a beer, but I want to enjoy myself at the parade. I want to remember the parade. I
want to remember just enough of the parade.
Yeah.
That's the key.
That's the. Oh man, yeah, this is really good stuff. I think, like I said, besides Purple Haze, and sometimes the boot. I always want a boot when I leave New Orleans. I don't know why.
I don't know why either. That's such an odd one.
Maybe it's because I can't buy it. Like when I go to Florida, I'm like, man, I could drink a 6-pack of boot today.
I know exactly how you feel because my favorite beer that I've ever had, I can't get here in Louisiana.
Oh, which one's that? Spoilers.
Yeah, spoilers. It's called Einstock. And Einstock. And it's an Icelandic beer. And it's really, really good. And I'll see if I have some still in my stash. Because I remember I went on vacation to Florida probably about maybe a year or two ago. And I bought the supermarket there out of it. Because I can't find it here. Because I love that beer so much.
Yeah. And, in fact, we're actually working to do with something with World One Live. He is a Magic streamer, And he is also a bartender and a mixologist historian himself. And we want to do a beer swap. So one episode in the future, we're still working on the logistics of it. Maybe, let's just say March. And around March, we're going to have a guest on the show. And we're going to send him some New Orleans beers, local brewery beers. And he will send us some of his beers. And we'll have a beer showdown as such. So make sure in the comments that you put down what beers you think we should send from your local breweries.
We need the best.
Mm-hmm.
We need to show him that we're just better.
Yeah, I mean we are the party capital as we have the Mardi Gras.
This is true.
So where else would you drink this beer? We have a nice Mardi Gras theme. Nice little swing getaway.
Where else would I drink this? I don't know.
You know, I used to always have a stand-up comedy beer when I go up on stage, so you can kind of like sit while people were laughing.
This would be a good.
This would be a good one because again, you don't like. I'm a chugger, so if I get something light that you could chug easily, I don't like that.
Okay.
But this one, it's got so many flavors. Like it's got so, and it immediately gets you with that flavor, and it stays with you, which is what I really like about my drinks. Is when I can drink something. And it stays in my taste buds, and I can just kind of like savor it. Kind of like you when you get food stuck in your beard.
Yeah, like with barbecue sauce, it's the best.
Yeah. But you know what you can take home and you can savor? One of our fabulous T-shirts or zipper jackets. You know, it's gonna be a weird Mardi Gras. But why don't you bring some normality into it by getting some awesome gear and looking your best?
Or in addition to all of that, you can even get the cocktail book,
Official Gnomes Tavern cocktail book,
and partake in some carnival festivities at home.
There's a lot of really great stuff. I was just the OBs and Beans.
OBs and Beans
shot, where it is a lovely shot that has a nice, that will get you there, but it has a nice honey at the end where it just like feels nice. You don't need a chaser with it. That's the best part. And please make sure that you keep in line. Like I said, it's in development, it's in work, but I think it will come out by the time this video comes out. We have our own Tavern on Tap official T-shirt. You want a cartoon Eli? You want a cartoon Gnomes? Well, you can have it in this
It can all be yours.
Yes, and make sure you go down to the description below to go get your stuff.
Yes, and always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see us drink something unique or something special, something different, please be sure to put in the comments down below, and we will do our best to see that we can obtain it.
Yeah, because we want to try the stuff that, we want the stuff that you see on the shelf and you're like, I don't know if that's gross or not.
Yeah.
Let's let Eli see if it's gross.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's let the gnome taste it and see if it's good.
But until next time, we will see you then, and always remember that
Tavern's always open.